You bitch. Transfer proof my ass. Hey guys, editing Jamie here. I realized I didn't film an intro or an outro for this video explaining anything that's going on. So I'm just going to throw it in here that I'm trying out all of the Ipsy makeup that I got in my box, my Ipsy box in my last video, and I'm trying it all out. And this video is basically just a struggle bus of me putting on makeup. So hopefully you enjoy and get a laugh out of it. And then I also bought some mascara from Target, and that was a nightmare. So keep watching if you're interested in seeing that. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Subscribe. This is a weird video to jump in on. Check out my other videos, please, because this is a weird one. Alright, so we're zoomed in. Let's try this stuff. Okay, so first thing, obviously, I have that 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Pure, or I have the Wander Beauty. So my idea is I'm going to put one on one side and one on the other side, and we'll see which one we like more. Let's start with the Wander Beauty on the left side of the face. Oh, okay. It is a doe foot applicator here. Get that all over. Blend it all out. We're gonna do the 4-in-1, the pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. Let's try both shades here on my skin and see. I'm gonna use the clean side of the sponge here. Alright, there's this one. Ooh! Okay, that's probably not gonna be it, that's for sure. Oh yeah, that's definitely more my speed. Okay, so I'm just hoping I can blend over. Oh god! Oh my god. Okay. Let's just blend, 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 and hope to god. Love Your Selfie, the 4-in-1. It's a little bit more matte, and then the Wander Beauty is a little bit more luminous. Like it's, I don't know, more glowy. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but this one looks more like skin-like, which is more of the kind of foundation I like. Alright, so foundation's on. Now I'm going to concealer, powder, bronze, and then I'll be back to try the blush. Let's try the Auto Balm Girl Powder for girls on the go. That's me. Okay. Okay. I'm a little scared. That's pretty, actually. I like this. I always bring blush onto my nose and kind of meet it a little bit. This is very pigmented. A little goes a long way. And I spray a lot, okay, because I powder my face really heavily, so I don't want my face to look powdery, but like the powder locks in and like keeps my makeup all day. So then I just go over with my beauty blender after I spray my face very gently, and I just kind of pat it all in. Now I have like a little bit of a glow, you know, like I'm not so dry looking like I was before, so I really like doing that. I'd spray more, but you guys will probably think I'm nuts. First off, I gotta wipe my lips off. Ugh. I don't know about you guys, but I hate it when my lips have foundation on them. Ugh. Okay. Ew. So what we have left is the lipstick, the eyeshadow palette, the mascara I got, and the eyeliner. Okay, so let's go in. Should I do lips first and then eyes? No, let's just do the eyes. So let's go into the eyes with the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette here. I love that sweater weather shade. Love that. Oh my gosh, so all my brushes are clean, so this is so exciting. I can just grab any brush I want. God, they all smell. Okay, so I'm going to, I have this olive green on. I don't know, you guys. I'm not a BEAU-TUBER, okay? I'm gonna grab my other mirror so I can really see what I'm doing here. It's actually not bad pigment, you guys. Like, it's really, really nice. It seems really soft. I'm just gonna flip the brush around to the side that doesn't have any makeup on it and try to diffuse this. Now, I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this little fuzzy light pink on the inner corner of my eye, like on this side, and then I might deepen it up a little bit. My outer corner with, what is that, toasty? Putting that on the inner. It's a little more lilac-y than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more white, I guess. I don't know how to explain that, but it is like a little more pinky than I was expecting. Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm making any sense, but the shitty thing is, like, I don't really have anything to, like, pop on my upper eyebrow, but okay. I do have this, oh my gosh, the shade's called Messy Bun. I have a messy bun in, so I guess it's only fair that we go in with that. And I'm just going to, ooh, it's dark. It's like this purpley shade. And I'm just going to focus it on my lash line here, on the outer. And just bring it up a little bit. I'm going to grab that same shade again, and I'm just going to trace my bottom lash line. They're not like super pigmented or crazy, but they are nice because they don't seem like they're very patchy. And they blend like really well, so yeah, I think it's nice. I might take this darker Cuddle shade right here and pop that on my lower lash line. Cut out a little bit. Okay, so both the pinks are like the same color, honestly. Like, if you pack the light pink, it looks just like this darker pink. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my other eye, and then I'll be right back. I think it's pretty. I just realized I did my whole eye look without doing my brows. I'm gonna do my brows really fast, and then I'll be back into the liner, mascara, and lips. Okay. So way too much time on my eyebrows, and I just give up. I give up. They are not twins, they're not sisters, they're not even cousins. They are just, I'm over it. Okay, now I have the Il Maquillage liner, which is very intimidating to me. I'm not very good with liquid liners, okay, you guys? I'm just throwing that out there now so everyone knows. I'm going to just try to do the smallest line possible on my eye. don't know. Does that look okay? Sure. I don't know. It's like making my eyes water really bad. It's not like I thought it was gonna be like just like a like super smooth glide, beautiful, easy to use. It's really not. The applicator's like actually really rough and kind of hurts my eye a little bit. And yeah, I'm just really not that impressed with that, to be honest. I don't know. Like when I looked at the box for this, where's the box? I don't know why, but I thought that the wand was gonna be bigger. It's not that. I don't know if I like this. I do not know. God help me. Just give me beautiful long eyelashes. I like it for the lower lash line. That's really nice. I thought for sure I would like it. So that sucks. It's just, you bitch. Transfer proof my ass. So irritating. I could stop opening my mouth super wide. That'd be great. Actually, like every time I'm doing my mascara and I have my mouth open, like, you know, I have this vivid memory of when I was, I don't know, probably in maybe 3rd, 4th grade, and there was this girl named Megan, and we were putting makeup on, and she came up from behind me, and I remember it so vividly. I'm looking in the mirror, I'm like, putting mascara on. She's like, why do you have your mouth so open when you put mascara on? And I'm like, and I didn't notice I was doing it, you know? So I was like, oh, I don't know. So then I was really self-conscious of it for years and years, like, just because of that statement. Like, isn't that fucked up how, like, a memory like that can stick with you and, like, you'll, like, visualize and hear it every time it happens or you're doing that certain thing? Okay, so that's the mascara, you guys. I put on, like, 1,000 coats. Feels like, I don't know. I'm not that impressed. Okay, so now we have the lipstick. It's really cute. I don't know if you guys can see. I put something on my lips before this. Maybe I can just use like a tiny bit of lip scrub. Just on the inside. It's edible. I'm full. Just kidding. What's happening? Is it just me? To push really hard. You guys see that? I don't know about this. To get a color payoff, you got to really push it on there. It is really soft though. I like it. I mean, I wonder if I just had to get it going or what, but goddamn, I had to really push on that. Oof, yikes. Alright, I did do a little try on / wear test too, so I'm going to insert those clips now. I ended up falling asleep in my makeup, so I wore it for about, I don't know, 12 hours, so you get to see it about halfway through, and then I fell asleep. So yeah, check it out. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, that's it. I don't know what else to say. It's weird popping in these weird editing videos. Hey guys, I've been wearing the makeup for like 6 hours now, and this is the 4-in-1 Pure Love Your Selfie whatever on this side, and it is breaking up a little bit around my nose, but other than that, it looks pretty good. The eyeshadow is holding up, and then this is the Wonder Beauty on this side. I honestly think this side looks better. This lighting is horrible, I'm sorry, but this side just looks a little bit more broken up. But the shadow and the eyeliner is holding up. The lipstick's still going strong. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Alright, editing Jami here again. I hope you guys liked that video. Hope you guys got a laugh. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, love you. Bye.